Research Daemon is a new Windows software tool that allows users to do lightning-fast research and content creation without the hassle. Indeed, there's nothing quite like it. Research should be focused, targeted, fun, fast, and most importantly, it needs to make you money. It was out of this idea that Research Daemon was born. This software streamlines your research and content creation activities using Google Advanced Operators and shortcuts to return content you'd never otherwise find. It integrates with artificial intelligence too, so the content you create will look very professional. You will leave the competition way behind with this tool in your arsenal. Research Daemon is a tool that makes research and content creation really fast. You can find out anything you need to know about a subject, search multiple search engines for content, find out the questions that people are asking, and create your ebook, PLR, or lead magnets with ease. It also has document management, so you can go straight to Google Drive and start creating your product. It integrates with Nichesss, Copysmith, and shortly AI, allowing you to create awesome products with minimal effort and the power of artificial intelligence. It also integrates with Designrr, so you can create beautiful documents that your buyers will love. Now you can easily create content that people will love in a fraction of the time. You'll save a fortune in outsourcer costs and save hundreds, if not thousands of hours of research time. Write that book you've been planning to do. Create content for your blogs and social media quickly. The sky truly is the limit as far as research and creation is concerned, and we've made it super easy for you to do. Please note, Research Daemon only integrates with the aforementioned services. It does not come pre-installed with AI software. To use these features, you need to be an existing customer of Nichesss, Copysmith, or shortly AI. Also, Research Daemon is not affiliated with any of these services. Thank you for watching.